Fasten your seatbelt. It's going to be a bumpy night.
Hello boys and girls. Well, today was a hell of a day. We've just finished the Miss Portland Pin-Ups semi-finals. We had 30 awesome women, some here at the studio, some via Skype because they're out of state. And we had our judges here and we interviewed all the ladies and we had a blast. It was awesome fun. First of all, thank you to all the girls who entered. We had over 200 entries this year for Miss Portland Pin-Ups, which is awesome. So thank you to everybody who entered. Special thank you to the 30 ladies who came here in the semi-finals. We can only have 10 of you in the final though. And we've just finished having a massive argument and a debate about who's going to be in the finals, and we now have our 10. Done most of our part. We've got over 200 ladies down to 10 finalists, and now we need a little help choosing Miss Portland Pin-Ups 2014. The grand finals are at Dante's on Thursday, July the 24th, and 20% of the final voting goes to the audience. Everyone who comes is going to have a little voting card and they get to choose their first, second and third. That will go in and be tallied by a proper accountant. It's all going to be done legal, and that will help choose Miss Portland Pin-Ups. What does that mean, Miss Portland Pin-Ups? Well, it's not just a fancy title. The winner gets a shoot here at Portland Pin-Ups, a guest bombshell session. I'm so excited I can't even speak. A guest bombshell session and 10 high-resolution digital masters, which are really rare. We don't give those out very often, and they're valued at over $6,500. And it's just going to be a great fun night. We've got music from Nikki Kroon, we've got dancing, burlesque from Milk and Honeys. All 4 of our bombshells will be there. They'll sign autographs, have your picture taken if you want, and you get to help us choose Miss Portland Pin-Ups. So get your ticket now at danteslive.com and come and help us choose Miss Portland Pin-Ups 2014. Well, by the time this video's hit the web, by the time I've got round to editing this video, so come and join us. It's Dante's on So come and join us. It's at Dante's on, which is where you come in next week.